ladies, welcome back. Okay, so if you saw my last video, it was all about what time you should take an ovulation test, and this is really crucial to getting your positive result. So this video is going to go on from the last one, and I'm going to be talking about how to read an ovulation test. So if you're not already subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because then you'll get notifications come through your phone when I upload videos like this, because I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm going to be doing ovulation tests, pregnancy tests, makeup related things. So go ahead and do that, and let's get on with the video. On the back of an ovulation test, it will show you a positive and a negative. Now, when it comes to a negative result, it can be very confusing because you are not quite sure what it looks like. Is it quite dark enough? We're going to dip this one for you, and then we will read the results together, and then I will go through what you're looking for. So I'm going to dip this cheapie for around 5 seconds and take it out of the urine and lay it flat on a surface. The urine will run across the strip. Okay, so looking at this test right now, I would say that it's completely negative. There is a very faint line on the test line bit, and there's no way that I'm going to ovulate in the next few hours. Okay, so as you can see, here is the control line. That should always come up whenever you do a test. That is to make sure that the test has worked. Here is the test line here. As you can see, it's super faint. The camera can barely pick it up. Okay, so I don't actually have a positive ovulation test in my hand because I am currently not ovulating as I am breastfeeding my 4-month-old. I'm going to show you an example of a picture on my Instagram actually. If you guys haven't followed me on my Instagram, go and follow me at Corrine and you'll see lots of pictures that you won't see here on YouTube. So this is an example of what I like to call a getting there ovulation test, which is basically not positive, but it will be within the next maybe day or so. I know this is a first response, but just bear with me guys. Here is the control line and here is the test line. As you can see, it's not as dark as the control line, but it's getting there. Now going on to these two pictures at the bottom, these are exactly the same darkness, which would indicate a positive ovulation test. Believe it or not, these pictures are actually from when I got pregnant with Olivia, and oh my goodness, what an absolute pregnancy that was. So if you haven't seen my videos of my pregnancies, go back and watch them. They're on my channel. Yes, that was something. Now when you start getting darker and darker ovulation tests, sometimes what will happen is the control line will actually be lighter than the test line, so it looks like the ink has been stolen. That is a really good indication that you're going to ovulate soon. Now bearing in mind, you will not get this every single month or every sort of 6 weeks whenever you ovulate. It's completely normal to have different darknesses of LH surges on your ovulation tests month to month. All my cycles were every 35 days, so it wasn't every month, it was sort of every 5 weeks I would have a cycle. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about different lengths of cycles and what day of the month you should start testing. So do go and subscribe to me and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video like this. Give this video a thumbs up, it really does help me out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye ladies!